When you think of healthy dessert, do you think of this cardboard? It's dry, bland, probably a little chewy and tasteless. Does it look appetizing to you? Well, it doesn't look appetizing to me. I love desserts. I love desserts so much. I used to choose restaurants based on the dessert menu. I once went to a restaurant so often and ordered their chocolate souffle that the waiter brought me my own chocolate souffle kit. A couple of years ago, that all had to change. I needed to eat a little cleaner due to some health concerns. I found the easiest way to do that was to follow the paleo diet. The paleo diet includes only things a caveman could have hunted or gathered. As you can see, the paleo pyramid has plenty of delicious food options. There's meat, veggies, nuts, and fruits. It's pretty easy to follow, except there was just one problem. I don't see a chocolate souffle up there. So missing my sweet treats, I had to find a solution because I wanted to keep following the diet. So I started making my own. I made them out of ground almonds, honey, and cranberries. And they were delicious. So delicious that all my friends and family would eat all of my cookies and wouldn't leave any for me. So that gave me the idea, made me realize they think they're as delicious as I do. And it made me realize I really enjoyed helping people make that transition from a processed food diet to a healthier lifestyle. And that's when Paleo Parrot was born. We make sweet snacks for clean eaters. For the last 6 months, I've perfected my recipes, conducted taste tests with hundreds of potential customers, and I've designed packaging that'll survive cross-country shipping. Our initial launch will include 4 flavors. Imagine yourself having the buttery taste of saber-tooth cinnamon in the morning with your breakfast, or the rich chocolatey taste of mammoth mud after a hearty meal. It's not the cardboard you were thinking of, is it? We're already selling on paleoparrot.com. We're taking pre-orders now for September delivery. When customers order off of our website, the product is baked fresh and delivered right to their doorstep in the same container that it's baked in. So just how big is this market? The paleo diet is the top search diet term of 2013. Because everything that's paleo is also gluten-free, we're including ourselves in the gluten-free baked goods market segment. This segment has grown 10% year over year since 2013 and is expected to become a $6.2 billion industry by 2018. Did you know that 15% of Americans are eating gluten-free as part of a healthy lifestyle, not because of a dietary restriction? How will I reach these customers? I'm partnering with Healthy Lifestyle Coaching Services to refer their clients to our product. Our product helps them make that transition from a processed food diet to a healthier lifestyle a little easier. When they have that sweet craving for a sweet snack in the middle of the afternoon, they can reach for a Paleo Parrot snack, which is sweet and satisfying instead of that Snickers bar. Healthy Life Coaching is on pace to become a $1.4 billion business, and I've already partnered with a life coach who's begging me to start selling because she knows it's going to help her clients make that transition a little easier. Once we've proven the retail strategy, we'll begin executing our reseller strategy, which is a little different from our competition. Usually, when brands are starting a healthy food product, they're immediately seeking shelf space in Whole Foods. That's not our initial target. We're targeting healthy and gourmet meal delivery services who don't currently have a snack or dessert option. We're allowing them the opportunity to use the Paleo Parrot brand or to brand the product as if it's their own, because we feel this is the best way to reach the most people and help them make this dietary transition. Healthy and gourmet meal delivery services are a $1 billion industry, and it's growing because, as you know, you're busy. You don't have time to make every meal, and a lot of people want to eat healthier. This helps them do that. I feel so passionately that the paleo diet has changed my life for the better that I've actually converted a few friends and family members to adopt it as well. I'd love to convince you too, but even if I can't convince you to go full caveman, I'm so convinced that you will love my delicious sweet treats that I've left my position of 15 years in product development to bring this product to you. I'm very proud to be partnered with Wellspring Bakery in Castle Rock, Colorado. They provide meaningful employment to adults with special needs. I love the idea of empowering these individuals to help others improve their lives, just as they're improving theirs. When I return to Colorado next week, I'll begin baking with Wellspring for the first time. We expect our first shipments to be ready in September, and we're taking our pre-orders now. I'd like to invite you to visit paleoparrot.com or come see me out there at my table. Join the evolution of clean treating and place your pre-order today.